So the 4 bolts on the bottom of the timing cover, you're gonna need 8-10 mils. Basically, I'll show you how it looks. The far side is an 8 mil, 10 mil, 8 mil, then 10 mil on this far side. I'm not sure if that comes from Ford like that, or when they're just putting these back, they just kind of put them back. I think I'm gonna order me a bolt stud kit. I think they're like $50 from ARP, and then I'm just gonna replace them with that when I go to put this thing back together. But that's all I got for you guys. I'd probably pull the rest of this out, but I'm getting ready to pack stuff to go to Houston. So save this video for when I actually remove the cover, but I wanted to keep that in clear in mind of that was kind of a pain in the ass to remove. But yeah, that's where I'm at, guys. Enjoy. All right, it's official, guys. I am at the halfway point. So at this point, I'm going to make a few decisions of what I want to do. There are several bolts through here. Basically, you need a deep 13. I think they're up here. They got little studs sticking out. And then the rest of these are going to be like 10. There's a few bigger ones that are 13. The rest are all 10 mil. It basically comes off and you start pulling it out. Make sure when you do, you kind of pull and tilt back. You're going to have some things like this still connected to it, so make sure you undo that. But the rest of this looks good. I'm getting ready to cover this up, and I guess we'll have to see what happens. My new valve covers did come, so I will probably end up powder coating all those. I got a few different quotes, so I'm just waiting. I still need to clean this guy out. I'll have to do that next. I'll still take a wire brush and kind of wire it in and out, but I did get the crank saver bolt. I got that stuff. We're doing pretty good. So at this point, really, I'm gonna wait for Black Friday, see if the 10 rig kit is gonna be on sale, make a decision there, and then if not, I might have this thing back together by the beginning of December. If I don't, it's because I've ordered the 10 rib kit and then sign itself for powder coating. So we'll find out. But yeah, guys, all in all, it took about 8 hours for me to totally tear down the motor. I suspect it's going to take the same. I'm still waiting on a few gaskets and stuff, but hopefully that comes in here later on this week. But yeah, this is not that hard. I expected this to be a lot more difficult. Now, granted, I'm pulling stuff apart. I put it back together again. I did have to drain my ice tank, so I did have to put the battery back in. I had to hook up some of the wires I disconnected to get that up and running, but yeah, it was easy peasy. So that's really about all I've got. So I've got the whole motor now torn down with the timing cover. So really, realistically, there's not much left to do other than start putting it back together. So my goal is to do this. So a few more places I'm gonna call for powder coating, and I'll probably drop those off for powder coating. I've been quoted between $350 and $400. I think that's a good price for valve covers and timing cover. So I'm gonna find out what I'm gonna do with that. And they say those take about 2 weeks. So if I drop those off tomorrow, find a good price, that means it'll be probably the next few weeks, probably like Thanksgiving week. I might start working getting the timing cover back on and the valve covers back on and start all that process. Because I can put all that back together, and then I'm really just waiting to put the radiator back in and then all the pulleys up front. So there's not really a whole lot left to do, to be honest. So that's kind of where I'm at, guys. Any questions, comments, let me know. Try to answer it. But yeah, thanks you guys again for watching, and let me know. Thanks.